Hello, Business 630 students. This is Professor Hassey. Today's date is Sunday, July 30th, and this is our conclusion video for our corporate finance class for this summer 2023. And you're all working on your final posting of the electrics case. And I know your debt is due later on today. And one of the things I wanted to talk to you about right off the bat in this video is if any of you are having difficulties getting this all wrapped up today. I know I said no extensions. Mainly for that, it was selfish reasons because I have to get the grades all posted in pretty quickly, and it takes a while to review all this work. And so I wanted to give myself as much time as possible. But if you need extra time, and if you have circumstances of work, family obligations, illness, whatever. And if you need some extra time posting to Monday, just let me know this Sunday and you can be accommodated. That's not a problem. I'd rather have you do good work and understand the material than race and try to get this all done in a span of 6 hours or so. So please take that into account. If you need extra time, please feel free to let me know. If you've already submitted your work and you want to look at it again and maybe add to it or review it, that's also good too. You can still repost. So again, if you need extra time, just let me know and we can work something out. As you can see, we're wrapping up our course week this week with the electrics case. All case 3 grades have been posted, so you know exactly where you stand as we head into the final 20-odd% of this grade for the final grade of our course. All the grades are posted. You can see your course average. Everybody has done an exceptionally great job. This is not, and I've told this to some students, an easy class, especially in the 8-week environment and platform of online. Lots of material, lots of stress, lots of different platforms. As you know, we've done APA papers, we've done spreadsheets, we've done PowerPoints, we've done research. It's not easy in 8 weeks, and I commend all of you for your engagement and your participation and your fine quality of work in this class. So congratulations to all. So remember, our course evaluations are due on Wednesday with all course grades posted no later than this coming Friday, August 4th. And again, a reminder, course evaluations are not a mandatory part of this program or this course. They help me, they help the program get feedback from students, and that's important for the quality of the program. One of the big things, and I'm sure I don't have to tell many of you this, is in online teaching, and especially at the MBA level, is consistency. Consistency in the platform, consistency in the material, consistency in the grading, consistency in the faculty. And your feedback in this regard, pro or con, is important for us to try to maintain and provide that consistency from course to course in this program. As many of you will find out as you conclude your MBA studies at the University of La Verne, your final course is the seminar course, the 696 class. Many of the topics and disciplines discussed in this foundation course 630 are going to be in that seminar class. Capital budgeting, financial statement analysis, credit review. All of these are going to be part as you wrap up your MBA studies. So again, I say to all of you, I am now part of your business network. If you need anything, any information, even though I'm no longer your instructor, please feel free to call on me and ask me questions. If you seek additional research methods, getting a different opinion on something, please let me know. One of the things I got most out of graduate study was the study was great, but the connections with business networking, with employers, with faculty, that was a key part of my MBA study, and I hope it can be a part of yours. If you need a letter of recommendation for a new job, for maybe a different job within your own company, please feel free to include me in that request. One of the best things I have seen in my career with students and myself personally is have a couple of letters in your file available to you from faculty members in your program, undergraduate, graduate. It helps. It helps to provide the employer with an honest background about your program, about what you've learned, what you have accomplished, what you studied in your programs. So please, if any of you need that, not just today, but years from now, please feel free to call on me and ask me for that information or recommendation. Be happy to do it. So as you can see, as we head into these final hours of our course, and it is final hours, we have one more grade to do, and that's this APA spreadsheet formatted paper of the electrics case. One of the things I want to counsel to the students, make sure you post something. You know, all of you have good grade averages coming into this. And yes, this electrics case is not easy. There's a lot of twists and turns, a lot of things that challenge you about your academic research and study. It's meant to be that way. It's not meant to be easy. But some students say, well, I didn't get this schedule right, so I'm not going to submit it. Please submit any work that you can. It makes your grade better. And most of you, you're getting an A or an A- in this class. Do as much work as you can possible in this assessment case paper, the electrics case, because it will give you a strong grade in the class. If you don't post anything, you'll get an F. That's a 0. And that will knock your grade substantially. Now, I'm not saying many people are doing this, but in the past, at the late hours on Sunday, at the end of an 8-week class, many students get tired, frustrated, the hell with it. I got an A average, I'm not going to post. Well, remember, if you don't post, you get a 0. And that usually takes an A average to a low B or even a C in the course, especially when it's worth 25%. So keep that in mind as you wrap up your studies this Sunday, July 30th. Okay, again, you've been great. I compliment you all on your engagement and your studies of this program. I'm available today, Sunday, and Monday. If you have any last-minute questions or issues, need an extension, please feel free to let me know what you need. And then going on in the future, any recommendations, information, analysis, please include me in any questions or anything you need as you go forward in your professional and academic career. Again, one last time, thank you very much for being in our class. Much success. Adios.